All right, everyone. So it looks like we've come to the conclusion here of the project. Motor's ready. Got the spark plug wires. I had to buy a new set. The old one I thought was good, but it's had a ripped one. Um, Everything is hooked up. I redid all the wiring harnesses. Took out some of the old heat protector, put some new one, and wrapped it on electrical tape. Sensors connected. I got the harness over here too. The temperature sensors connected, and I bought a connector that goes in here into the distributor because that was just wires, loose wires before. So I hooked that up properly. Also for the distributor, I got the right connector that goes in here. That's just like goes in there with pressure because it was also just hooked up with like wires and two prongs. Um, all the smog stuff. This hose back connected. Vacuum lines, everything's hooked up under there how it should be. Had to get a battery. My old battery just wasn't cranking the engine, and then I tried charging it, and it wouldn't get any charge. So I got this battery. I already tried it, and the engine cranks just fine. That was a 4.5-year-old battery. I'm surprised it lasted me that long. It was from 21, and they gave me this one from September 24, which I didn't really like because it has a few months already of shelf life. But that's fine. It's brand new, and I'm ready to crank it. Probably won't make a video of me trying to start it because I'm going to be moving around and trying to get it going with some starter fluid and all that. And then I have to break the cam in. So, I made these yesterday. These are the downpipes that are going to connect to the headers. I had to well, I welded them myself right here. Later on, there's the other one for the other side. I used part of the original downpipes. That's why you see one a little bit smaller in size, because that's how they had it before. Actually, they had another piece that was even smaller. It was so stupid. So this one's a little bit more bigger, like more free flowing, but I need to put these on to start the car and then get it. Then I could get it to a muffler shop and they could make me like some mandrel bent pieces of 2.5 pipe all along. But I made these yesterday just to get it connected and start the vehicle. I don't want to start it with the open headers. I've heard you can mess up the heads doing that, or what, the valves or something. Either way, it's just going to be too much noise, too loud here for where I live. So we'll make a video of me. I'll turn the car on, see how it sounds and all that, and then maybe go for a ride. Later.